Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to view all files in a board. If you've ever wanted a single place to see every file attached to items in a board, the Files Gallery view is exactly what you need. It pulls together attachments from across your groups and items so you don't have to click into each row to find what you're looking for. Here's how to get to it quickly and make sure you're in the right spot. Start on your Monday.com home. From there, open the board where you want to review files. I'm using a sample project board, but you can choose any board you have access to. Give the board a moment to load so all the views and toolbar options appear at the top. At the top of the board, look for the small plus icon in the views bar. This is the same area where you might see main table, timeline, or Kanban. The plus icon is your shortcut to adding a new view to the board, including the files gallery. It can be easy to miss because it's small, so scan the top bar carefully. Click that plus icon. A panel will open with a list of view types. From this list, select File Gallery. This adds the Files Gallery as a view for the current board and switches you into it right away. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a clean canvas designed to display file thumbnails and previews. Now look at the Files Gallery. If your board already has files attached to its items, you'll see them appear here as tiles you can open and preview. If your team hasn't attached any files yet, you may see a message that says, "No files were found." Go ahead and click that message area to confirm the view is active. Nothing is wrong. This simply means there aren't any attachments on this board yet, or you might not have permission to view them. A few quick tips to make the most of this view. The Files Gallery reflects attachments already linked to items on the board, including those added through updates or file columns. It's ideal for browsing all project assets in one place, and it stays in sync as your team adds more. If you still don't see anything, double check that you're on the correct board and that your role allows you to view attachments on that board. And that's it. You've opened the Files Gallery from your board and confirmed whether files are available. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Monday.com.